this madness of fans
Yes.
which they have for all these heroes. Is it the same with the heroines? उनके लिए भी वैसे ही होता है पागलपन?
No, I think the heroes के लिए ज़्यादा
ज़्यादा
होता
होता
है. It's a fact. It's a male dominated industry. हमारा पूरा industry क्या हमारी पूरी हिंदुस्तान is male dominated. You know?
And yet the directors, when they have the camera, it's the women who look
Gorgeous.
gorgeous. Look at Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the way he
oh
does
my
with
God, heroine's amazing. Aishwarya has looked so
Yeah.
beautiful in that film, Devdas.
Devdas.
I don't think, matlab, any heroine of his looks amazing.
his. Yeah. It's always like.
But you know, now slowly it's changing. Since you mentioned Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Alia Bhatt, he made that film.
हाँ, Gangubai wala.
Gangubai. And that was a solo. It carried on her shoulders. Another actress, Kangana Ranaut, when she did that Mannu Weds Tanu series, that film rested on her.
Yeah.
So women also, Deepika had also carried some films on her shoulders.
Yes.
So nowadays the trend is changing. Of course, that time also Hema ji gave so many hits.
Yeah,
Sridevi gave so many hits.
Yeah.
And they were
That's true.
undisputable Bollywood queens. But
What was you worked with Aishwarya in some films?
I worked
is she-
with her in Hamara Dil Aapke Paas Hai, in Aab Laut Chale, and Tera Jadoo Chal Gaya also with Abhishek, Umrao Jaan. Yes, I
Yeah,
worked with-
Umrao Jaan
yeah,
also you
yeah.
acted with her. That ethereal beauty of hers,
Oh, she's gorgeous.
is she like, do people look around and look at the sets and say, oh my God, look at her? Was it like that when she was acting?
No, I think when she was acting, and especially people on the sets, she is gorgeous. She is beautiful. There's no doubt about it. But when the sets people जरा थोड़े से वो हो जाते हैं because they are used to
They've
seeing
seen beautiful
women, and for them it's mainly work. अब light वाला अपनी लाइटें कर रहा है, sound वाला is recording, नहीं मतलब sound ठीक आ रहा है कि नहीं, cameraman has to record. Of course, if the woman is beautiful, they tend to, of course, gaze with admiration, which is understandable. But you know, a film set is very professional, you know, where everybody is doing their own work. So the heroine has to look beautiful.
But आप उस वक्त I read in this interview that was the time when in one of the films where the famous breakup happened between Aishwarya and Salman.
Oh my God, I don't want to
love
talk
story.
about it.
But you've seen so many love stories.
I have seen so many love stories and I can't talk about it because you know what happens? कभी-कभी मैं बोलते हुए कुछ निकल जाता है and then even only that part is blown up. Oh my God.
But do these, because they interact in such close quarters
Yes.
for so long.
Yeah, it happens.
That they
And
fall
you are
in love.
young. Yeah, you're young. And you're playing a love story and you tend to get involved. After all, you're human.
Yeah.
So it's very natural.
So is it because of close proximity and the fact that they have no personal time? All the time is
That is so true.
spent on the sets.
They spend, we actors spend more time on the sets than we spend at home. I go to my home to sleep. Most of the actors are like that only. Baki time they are with the sets and with the co-stars.
So falling in love and falling out of love is something that happens on the sets in front of everybody, I'm guessing. क्योंकि सारा time अगर आप sets पे ही हैं,
and you're playing a romantic. And it's not only, I don't know why people say it only happens on film sets. It happens in other institutions also.
In advertising, in journalism, everywhere.
Journalism, school maybe when you are with your co-teacher या principal या business उसमें भी होता है, आप travel कर रहे हैं.
पर ये कैमरे पे कैप्चर होता है.
पर कैमरे में तो कैप्चर होना ही है ना, सेल्यूलर है.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.